Hey everybody, I wanted to go live real quick to basically recommend that Autumn Farms over in Mendon, Illinois for the pumpkin patch. It's a nice place for your kids, you know. It's, I'd say kids up to about 11, 12 years old maybe. But it's a fun place. They have two different walkabouts where you go in there and you can walk around and, what do you call it? Trails, that's what I'm trying to think of. Trails where they have like haunted trails. They're not really haunted, but it's fun. They got a lot of neat stuff on there. They even got a cannon. They do a pirate thing with skeletons and everything. And I was very impressed with that. And then they also had this big blob thing that you can jump on. The kids can jump on. That's a lot of fun for the kids.
Corn maze.
They have a corn maze where they got jokes in the buckets to where you got to get a joke out of the bucket. And there's 8 things. What else? You tell them about it, because you go ahead and tell them about it.
You basically told him everything.
Tell them. What else?
There's a slide.
Zip line.
Zip line.
Tetherball.
There's this little cars things that you can like ride around on and stuff.
And they have little games for the kids. We didn't.
Yeah, they have like little games like you could like do this race thing. There's a trampoline there. Yeah, the big blob is like basically of air. There's like dead animals on this road. Yeah. I've seen 4 so far. They're all raccoons. I wonder what the population is. But it's in Mendon.
It's a pretty good time, I thought. I mean, we went down the big slide twice. Big slide, you just go down. I didn't use a mat. Was it easier with that bag or no?
It was much easier.
Oh, okay.
I went farther. I went an inch farther.
My jeans started coming off. I was like, geesh. I don't got much of a butt, so it's like I didn't have any brakes.
My feet just went up. I know.
But yeah, it was a good time. So if you get a chance to go out there, it's a good time. I just want to tell everybody, just because, like I said, I know everybody's looking for things for their kids to do, and you know, kids, all ages, you know, make sure to take kids.
The haystacks where you get to do the thing.
Yeah, they got kind of an obstacle course haystack thing. That's pretty neat. The trails go off into the woods where they've got different things set up.
Knowing that you, if you have to take a path, once you get, you know,
we did figure out the path.
Yeah, we didn't. Okay, so if you go there, then you have to watch this later. So, then you know what I'm talking about, because once you get to the slide, and if you're like facing this way, and the slide's like over here, and then there's like woods over there, and you can take this route over here, and it's like has the the dead horse skeleton. Yeah, if you keep on going there, like you have to, like, there's those 3 paths. They're like one over here, one in front, one over here. You want to go to that one over there. Yeah, it just lets you off.
So if anybody just understood what she said, seriously, what did you just say? Wow.
I said.
So, we are not going to put her on Information Central because I have no clue what she just said. And that was all in English.
I put it in for
wow. Can anybody translate that for me, please? Somebody translate what Gracie just said. Oh, goodness. My. And then you go here, then you go there, and then, oh, by the way, you went up there, and then you went over there. And you got to go up there, but you got to be there. But if you do it right there... But if you have it right there.
The trail there in front of you and on the other side of you. Let me go that way, where the cornfield is.
Gracie, and if I haven't told you lately that I love you, even though I cannot understand a word you're saying.
You probably couldn't.
How are you a straight A student when you...
2 cells I'm a straight A. No, I'm just kidding.
Okay, your teachers really got to quit talking about their home life so much, because I think they need to pay attention to teaching you guys.
So. Yeah, I have a B in that class. She didn't.
That's good. She didn't. They're a little older. They're in their 90s. They're good people. Love them. Hey, Larry, how are you, my friend? We were just telling everybody about the fun place to go to. So
yeah, it's the funnest.
I won't say the funnest, but I mean, it's a fun place to go if you got kids. That's now. Gabby could have been 9 years old going to that place.
Mm-hmm.
So, and if Ava's watching this, come over and get your bike, kid.
Oh, hopefully Ava. Ava?
Will you go take Ava's bike back, please?
Ava.
Gracie, go take Ava's bike back. So, anyway, have fun at Autumn Farms. It is a good place to go to. I recommend it. Gracie recommends it.
Hold on to my clip. I'm going to take my friend's bike back.
I'm now holding on the clips. So I'll do like I do and put my clip right there. Just walk it through the grass. What?
I'm gonna ride it over to
Just walk it through the grass. Don't ride it in the grass because you're going to hit a mole hole.
Well, you said ride it in the grass.
I said walk it in the grass. I don't know what I said, actually. Anyway, we'll talk to everybody later. Have a good one, everybody. God bless. Bye.